Hello, please watching and it's time to do history video. Today we'll talk about Monkey the Wizard so One Piece. When it's on so hard into the bucket it leads to the Charlie Boone in the nation's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Monkey D. versus Nation's Day Parade in 2023 was used to not just today as a stanza. His father shows his her hairs and what's is about to punch all of us to celebration in One Piece in 2024. His height was 60 feet, and weight was 33 feet, and broad was 39 feet, and height was 90 right now, right? Unfortunately, his squad had to be stopped part down the tree. And Sakura, he always takes the wild bus out the way. But luckily, he still continued to play. The NBC, he is showing the marketing diversions in Nation's City Day Parade.
He has been searching for the ultimate treasure, One Piece, and now Monkey D. Luffy sailing into New York City for the Macy's parade. Making his debut this year, Luffy from Toei Animation is towering above Manhattan at 50 feet tall.
And every pirate needs a good crew, so nearly 90 balloon handlers have become honorary straw hats for the day. Luffy and his animated show One Piece will be celebrating its 25th anniversary in 2024. He, by the way, is known for his huge appetite, so he's probably going to love Thanksgiving.
After 2023, it was finished. So most of the was decided to return to the play where his heart was still. Stay tuned as Nation's Day 2024.